Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Instagram cannot add music story. This problem is usually due to network issues or your restricted account type, a corrupted app cache, or an outdated app version. The quickest fix is to turn your Wi-Fi or mobile data off and on, and then you can head over to your profile icon, tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen. Then you'll have to scroll down to find account type and tools. Here tap on account type and then tap on switch to a professional account, hit next and then switch to a professional account and try adding music to your story after that. You may also try updating the Instagram app by heading over to Play Store, looking for Instagram and then hitting the update button if it is not updated to the latest version. Sometimes you may have to quickly log out and log back in to try again. If none of these steps work, you must open the Instagram app one more time and then tap on help and tap on report a problem and hit report a problem. Here you must include your problem and report it to Instagram, and then Instagram will contact you shortly. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.